Hey guys, one of the top questions I get is what do I think of protein powder? And I don't really recommend protein powder for anyone. Why? It's very hard to digest because it's very processed. Most of the time, whey being the #1 type of protein powder, just tough on your gut. And so we can make a smoothie that is balanced and at the same time has plenty of protein. And so what we're gonna use today are flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and that's gonna be our substitute for protein powder. So we're gonna start with 1.5 cups of almond milk, and the almond milk's kind of just gonna make the liquid base. From there, I like to use frozen fruit because it's easy to store, it's inexpensive, and that's what's gonna give the smoothie the taste. Then from here, we're gonna put about a tablespoon of ground flax seeds, tablespoon of chia seeds. Again, high in healthy fats, high in protein, high in fiber, other polynutrients, and then a tablespoon of hemp seeds. And then what really is kind of the secret ingredient, the secret player, is a banana. And I like to use a pretty ripe banana, and away I go. So here you have it. This is my go-to smoothie: frozen fruit, strawberries, banana, flax, chia, hemp seeds, almond milk. And I can't stress enough, there's no need to use protein powder. You can get protein from food. And more importantly, now we have a healthy smoothie, cheap, easy to do. Cheers.